This is a room tour of the Arden Hotel, room 151. It's a double room. Got your bathroom, mirror, toilet, and a shower and bath combination. And then you've got your hanging space. Just zoom out a little bit. Some extra towels, bit of shelving. And you've got a little desk with a telly, another mirror, a few drawers, a couple of chairs, table, tea and coffee making facilities, and then you've just got your double bed. But it does got USB sockets on the wall, so that's good. So USB and USB-C. We've got an amazing view of a bush. We're just here for one night while we visit Resorts World, so just thought we'd do a little room tour in case anyone's interested. I'll put the price up while I've been talking. So thanks for watching, we'll be back soon. Hello guys, just doing a quick update for the room tour. This is where the hotel entrance is. Just a little thing. Basically, if you go onto the main road out of here, there's an easy way of getting to Resorts World rather than having to walk the long way around or get a taxi. So if you follow basically where those people are, if you can see the people right in the distance, if you follow this path all the way down to them, then on the left there's a little path that takes you straight into Resorts World. So little tip for you. We can't take credit, Lorraine. Thank you for telling us about that. That saved us about 20 minutes last night walking to Resorts World, so thank you for that. And then if you go the other way, if you can see the flags in the distance, that's an Esso garage. So you can get obviously Greg's and a Subway there, and it's a little sort of mini Asda as well, so you can get snacks and drinks and things like that for your hotel. So we had a good stay. The only thing I'd say is, if you need an iron, bring a steamer or an iron with you. That's the only thing they don't provide. But other than that, we had a great stay. So I just wanted to finish off with a few tips and our thoughts on the Arden. So we will see you next time. Thanks guys.